Hello, I'm Gary McCormick, owner of Affordable Craftsmen. We are state licensed residential builders and general contractors. Over the past 20 years, we've completed over 5,000 projects of various sizes. We're rated A+ on the BBB and other review sites and have never had a complaint or claim of any kind. Our crew chiefs all have 10 or more years of experience and speak native English, so communication is excellent. In addition to offering design, build, and running our own construction projects, we also provide construction management, consulting, and we support self-build. Because we're affordable, we also act as subcontractors frequently to other contractors and builders, and we provide handyman services and do honey-do lists for our customers and clients. In addition to that, I'd love for you to look around our site and find out more about how we operate. There are a number of videos on this page. And then also, if you want to go to the menu up above, you'll see a number of different tabs and lists of items, different services we provide that will get into more detail and explain what it is we do, how we do it, what our methodologies are, the way we operate and why. And then you'll also notice that our phone number, our email, and our forms requesting a quote are scattered throughout the site and very easy to find. So if you'd like to call us with a question, or contact us through a form, or arrange for us to give you an estimate, please don't hesitate. Go ahead and do that. We look forward to talking to you soon and hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much.